Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Today I'm going to be showing you another favorites of mine, which is the eggless coffee crumble cake. It's a nice soft coffee cake with a little cinnamon crumble on top. It's super yummy, super easy, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Let's get started on this. For the coffee cinnamon crumble cake, we will be using milk, curd, vinegar, sugar, oil, vanilla essence, flour. We have coffee, baking powder, baking soda and salt. For the crumble on top, we will be using flour, brown sugar, cinnamon powder and butter. We will take the flour. To this we will add the salt, the baking soda and the baking powder, and we will just mix it so that all this is mixed well. In a bowl, I will take the milk and the yogurt, mix this slightly, and to this I will add the vinegar and I will keep it aside. After mixing, I will keep this aside for about 5 minutes. This has been lying for about 5 minutes. Next, I will take the coffee powder and mix it into this. As you see, the coffee has fully dissolved. To this, I will add the sugar, the oil, and the vanilla essence, and I will mix this. Once this is mixed, I will put in the dry flour and the baking powder and the soda which we had mixed earlier, and just mix this till I have a nice smooth batter. Now, as you see, the batter is done. Now we are going to make the crumble. So I will take a butter in the bowl. I will put in the brown sugar and just mix this till the butter is smooth and you have a nice paste of the sugar and the butter. Once the sugar and the butter is mixed, to this I will add the cinnamon powder and the flour, and now using my hands I will mix this around till we get nice breadcrumb like texture. You can use both hands and rub it between your hands to give you that bread texture. As you see, as I'm mixing, I'm getting a very nice breadcrumb consistency, and this is what is going to make our crumble. And as you see, we have uniform breadcrumbs all over. So the crumble is ready to be put on the batter. I have an 8 by 8 square tin which I have lined with butter paper and greased. In this I will pour my batter of the coffee cake that we have made. On top of this, the crumble which we had made, I will sprinkle it all over the top. Once we put the full crumble, using my hands, I will spread it all over the tin so that it is evenly spread all over the cake. Now this cake is ready to be baked. We will bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes till we put a toothpick inside the center and it comes out clean. The eggless coffee cinnamon crumble cake is ready. What I will do next is I will dust it with icing sugar on top. You know, this looks like snow on top of the cake and gives it a beautiful look. You can see how soft this cake is. It is super soft and super delicious. It's going to be heavenly, to have it with your cup of coffee. Actually, you don't even need coffee with this. Just have it on its own and it's a superb treat. My kitchen right now with this is smelling absolutely divine. Can you see how soft this is? Super. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।